Hi everyone, I'm Trisha B. Tolentino and I'm from Group 2 and our topic is Towards Asian Regionalization Advancing towards Asian regionalization. In recent decades, the global economic landscape has witnessed a significant shift with Asia emerging as a powerhouse driving innovation, economic growth, and geopolitical influence. This transformation has prompted increased discussions and initiatives towards regional integration in the Asian continent. As nations recognize the benefits of collaboration, the pursuit of Asian regionalization has gained momentum, aiming to foster economic interdependence, political stability, and cultural exchange across the diverse nations that make up this dynamic region. Economic integration stands at the forefront of the push towards Asian regionalization. The economic rise of countries like China, India, Japan, and several Southeast Asian nations has led to a collective realization that a more interconnected and cooperative economic environment could amplify the growth potential for all. Initiatives such as the Belt and Road Initiative (BRI) championed by China have demonstrated the desire to create an extensive network of trade routes and infrastructure projects connecting Asia with Europe and Africa. By fostering economic ties through such initiatives, countries in the region seek to leverage each other's strengths, creating a web of mutual benefits that can drive sustainable development. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations has been a trailblazer in the pursuit of regional integration. Formed in 1967, ASEAN aimed to promote political and economic cooperation among its member states. Over the years, it has evolved into a successful model of regional integration, with its member nations working together to enhance trade, investment, and diplomatic relations. ASEAN's success has inspired other regions with Asia to explore similar avenues, fostering a sense of community that transcends geographical and cultural boundaries. Political stability is another critical aspect driving the momentum towards Asian regionalization. The region has witnessed historical conflicts and geopolitical tensions, making it imperative for nations to seek mechanisms that promote peace and security. Regional cooperation provides a platform for dialogue and conflict resolution, fostering understanding and collaboration. Institutions like the Shanghai Cooperation Organization have been established to address security challenges, promote stability, and enhance mutual trust among member states. By advancing towards regionalization, Asian nations aim to create a collective security architecture that can effectively address common challenges, reducing the risk of conflicts and promoting long-term stability. Cultural exchange is an often overlooked but crucial aspect of Asian regionalization. The diversity within the region is staggering, encompassing various languages, religions, and traditions. Embracing this diversity and fostering cultural exchange can lead to a more harmonious coexistence among nations. Initiatives that promote people-to-people connectivity such as educational exchange, tourism, and cultural events, play a pivotal role in building bridge and breaking down cultural barriers. By recognizing and celebrating the richness of their collective heritage, Asian nations can strengthen the bonds that tie them together, creating a more resilient and interconnected regional identity. Challenges, however, accompany the journey towards Asian regionalization. Historical disputes, economic disparities, and geopolitical rivalries pose hurdles that must be navigated with diplomatic finesse. Striking a balance between national interest and regional cooperation requires careful negotiation and a commitment to shared goals. Additionally, the diverse political systems and ideologies present in the region necessitate flexible frameworks that accommodate varying perspectives and priorities. In conclusion, the pursuit of Asian regionalization signifies a bold step towards a future where the nations of this dynamic continent collaborate for mutual prosperity, peace, and cultural enrichment. Economic integration, political stability, and cultural exchange are the pillars upon which this vision rests. As Asian nations continue to advance towards regionalization, they must navigate challenges with wisdom and resilience, recognizing that the collective benefits far outweigh the complexities of the journey. The success of these efforts holds the promise of a more united and prosperous Asia, contributing significantly to the global landscape of the 21st century.